What is up, guys? Today we're in Animal Company and we're gonna be doing a battle royale, but I have an attack helicopter. Yeah, you heard me right. An attack helicopter. It's equipped with 2 RPGs and a revolver, and you can fly around and shoot people, and it's really fun. So me and him are gonna see who wins in a 1v1 battle royale fight when I have this attack helicopter and he has a big RPG abomination. So yeah, big RPG abomination, that's what it's called. So I'm gonna fly up and at least like try to get high ground, and you're gonna try to shoot me down and I'm trying to get you too, okay?
You're loading, I'm gonna try to get
How's
a
it?
good position.
Oh shoot. He's shooting missiles at me. Behind the trees. Oh dang, that was close. Okay. This is round 2. Where's he? Stuck in the tree. He's somewhere. Oh shoot. Oh! No! Okay, he won round 1. Okay. Over there. Ah, I got sniped. Dang. I'm not really good with the attack helicopter. Okay, now it's your turn with the attack helicopter. Okay, so he's ready. What he's gonna do is fly up and get a position. Dang, bro, that looks sick. Okay. Oh, he's stuck on a tree. He's gonna fly up, and I'm gonna try to sneak attack him. I'm trying not to let him see me or hear me. Where is he? Oh, shoot. Oh! He has a revolver, Oh, he's trying to snipe me. Oh, dang it! Okay, so he's won 3 rounds. I've won 0 rounds. I think I just have a skill issue. He's in that helicopter. That looks sick. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, he's crashing. He's wrecking. Oh shit. Okay, I'm gonna go get a position because that's a lot of RPGs. I'm actually really scared right now. He has a lot of RPGs on his attack helicopter. Okay. I think I found a good spot behind this tree right here. I don't think he'll ever expect me to be over here. I forgot my RPG, but it's fine. This will be a good battle royale. Oh my! Yo! You have so much weapons on that. You have so much weapons. You have like 2 revolvers and like shotguns on the attack helicopter. Oh my gosh. Okay, well that'll be it with this video, guys. Oh shoot. I hope that you liked it and this was a cool idea. The attack helicopter. It's probably going to be like way more fun in the public because you can just shoot all the little kids. But yeah, that'll be it for the video, and I hope you enjoyed.